Hi, this is AJ, Director of Effortless English and your teacher. Congratulations, you finished the Quick Start Action Vocabulary videos. That's great. So, I hope you followed my directions. I hope you use strong actions. So important that you do the actions. If you did not, if you only watched, go back to the beginning, watch the first one, and do the actions. That is so important. That's where the power is. The actions give you the power because the actions create stronger connections in your brain. That's how you learn more deeply and remember better. So that's number one. You must do that. These actions are very important. Now, since you finished the Quick Start videos, you are ready for the audio lessons. When you listen to the audio lessons, also use actions. For example, when you learn some new vocabulary, create an action for it. You don't need it for every word, but for example, maybe you have one word or phrase that you can't remember. It's difficult. So make an action and then practice these actions. Say it, then do it. Say it, do it. Say it, do it. Do this each day for 5 days or 7 days. Then you will remember that difficult phrase or that difficult word. So continue to use this technique as you listen to all of the Power English audio lessons. So that's very important. Another important thing, you learned good posture, remember? Good posture, big grin. You learned that in the video vocabulary. Well, use that also when you listen to the audios. You should always use strong, good posture when you are learning. Okay, so you're listening to your iPod, for example, to the audio lessons. Don't have bad posture. Your energy goes down, you learn more slowly. Always have strong, good posture as you listen to those audio lessons. Very, very important. In fact, I recommend, if you have an iPod, put it in your ears and go for a walk. Go outside, move your body. Strong posture, good posture, smile, big grin, and go for a walk, exercise. Your blood starts moving, your heart is going. It gives you more energy, so you will learn faster and better. So that's another important way to use the audio lessons. Okay, so now you are ready. You did the Quick Start videos. You know some of the important vocabulary for the first lessons. So now what you're going to do, you're going to listen to those audio lessons. If you don't understand something, use the text. Because remember, everything also has a text guide, so you can read those texts. If you could find the word, find the phrase that you can't understand, then you know it. Circle it, use a dictionary if you need to, and then listen, listen, listen. It's the same deep learning technique, so one lesson set per week, each week. A lesson set includes a vocabulary lesson, audio, a main audio article, and a mini story audio. And then later, with the little more advanced ones, they also include the point of view grammar audio lessons. Now, of course, each of these also has text. So anytime you don't understand something, look at the text. You can find exactly what I am saying. Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to use actions. You're going to create actions. You will make actions for new, difficult words and phrases. Number 2, you will always use strong, good posture, big grin, when you are listening to the audio articles and the audio lessons. And number 3, you will only do one lesson set per week. That's it. That is the Effortless English system. That's how you will use these new, powerful English speaking lessons. Okay? That's Power English. So please, use them correctly. Follow these 3 methods, these 3 techniques, every time you listen to a Power English lesson. Okay, great. I'm really looking forward to teaching you. I'm happy to be your teacher, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay.